Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add tags on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial tips with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually here using Brave, but of course for you, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Then you would like just to go here to this URL, after opening the browser and type asana.com. So as you can see, that will actually be your home screen. But first of all, you would like to log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, don't panic or anything. Just go and create your account on Asana. So of course, when you can actually like create your account with even your Gmail if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So let's just say that will actually first of all be your home or your main screen on the website, and from here you can actually like create projects, add tasks, do whatever you want. So of course you can just go here and click add projects or task. You can add or create whatever you want. So of course, for you, if you already have a project or task on the project, so of course you'll find your projects on your workspace. Just go and click on it. So this is an example. That's my project, and I will find this as my tasks. Of course, you may have different projects, different tasks. I don't care about what you have, but just go to your tasks here and click on it, or just go and click on the details. And as you can see, we don't have even tags here. So of course, if you want to add the tags, you have two options. The first option is to click here at the three dots and then click at add tag. As you can see, this will give you this, or you can just go and click at tab T. This will add tag as well. Of course, if you already added a tag before, you will find the same tag here. So for me, I added a tag called complete, but of course you can just add another tag. Let's say as an example, I'll name this tag as test. So of course create it, and you'll find it here. You can even set like a color for it. So if you click on this tag, you'll find all the tasks you have tagged them with this on here. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.